Tape script 5.15.1.
Hi, Voti. How are you?
I'm okay.
It was a good idea coming to the library. Have you started to prepare for next week's maths test?
Yes, I have already started.
How many lessons have you reviewed?
I have already reviewed 3 lessons. Have you reviewed any lessons yet?
I've just started to review my maths lessons. Hey, I've just had a great idea. I can copy the notes you've already completed.
No way! You have to do your own work. You need to look over all your lessons and make notes. Then, you need to write a list of things you need to do. Then try the practice questions. Have you made any notes yet?
Oh no, I still haven't made any notes.
Have you made a list of things you need to do?
Oh no, I haven't made a list of things I need to do yet.
Have you looked at the practice questions?
I still haven't looked at them.
Wow, you are in trouble. Miss Mom and Mr. Sawan said we need to complete the practice questions before Monday.
Have you completed the practice questions?
Yes, I've already finished them.
Can I copy the answers?
No!
Tape script 5.15.2.
1. Have you started to prepare for next week's math test?
Yes, I've already started. 2. How many lessons have you reviewed?
I have already reviewed 3 lessons. 3. Have you taken any notes yet?
Yes, I've just started to take notes. 4. Have you made a list of things to do?
No, I haven't made a list of things to do yet.
Tape script 5.15.3.
A. Have you reviewed any lessons yet?
I've just started to review my math lessons. B. Have you made a list of things you need to do?
No, I haven't made a list of things I need to do yet. C. Have you looked at the practice questions yet?
I still haven't looked at them. D. Have you completed the practice questions?
Yes, I've already finished.
Tape script 5.15.4.
The study group was a great idea. We can check what everyone has already done to prepare for the exams and what we still need to do. I've just made a list of things I need to do before the exam. Have you made a list of things you need to do, Voti?
No, I haven't made a list of things I need to do yet. I will make one as soon as I get home, but I have already made a lot of notes to help me revise. Hey, Bisat, have you made any notes yet?
I have just started making my study notes, but I haven't finished them yet. I have already completed my maths revision. Have you finished your maths revision here?
Yes, I have completed all my maths revision. And I have already studied for the English grammar test. Have you studied for the English grammar test, Voti?
Yes, I have already studied for my English grammar test. It wasn't easy. There are a lot of new things to learn. Bisat, have you reviewed your grammar test yet?
Yes, I have already reviewed my English grammar test. I'm happy about that. Hey, have you seen your exam timetable yet? What time is the chemistry test?
Oh no, I forgot all about that. I still haven't seen my exam timetable. Hey Voti, have you seen your exam timetable?
No, I haven't seen my timetable yet. I'll look at it when I go to school tomorrow. I still haven't looked over my chemistry lessons, so I still need to do that. Have you looked over your chemistry lessons here?
I've just started to look over them. I still have so much to do. I still haven't practiced my English speaking. Have you practiced your English speaking, Bisat?
No, I haven't practiced my English speaking yet. I think it would be a good idea if we meet every day, so we can practice together.
Yes, that's a good idea, because I still need to practice my English speaking too. Sorry, but I need to go now, but I'll see you both tomorrow at 12:30.
Okay, bye.
Tape script 5.15.5.
1. Have you finished your maths revision, Hieng?
Yes, I've done all my math revision.
2. Bisette, have you reviewed your English grammar test yet?
Yes, I have already reviewed my English grammar test.
3. Have you seen your exam timetable yet?
No, I haven't seen my timetable yet.
4. Have you looked over your chemistry lessons, Hieng?
I've just started to look over them.
5. Have you practiced your English speaking, Bisette?
No, I haven't practiced my English speaking yet.
Tape script 5.15.6.
1. Has Nari met her professor?
Yes, she has already met her professor.
2. Has Nari taken any exams yet?
No, she hasn't taken any exams yet.
3. Has Nari started to make study notes?
Yes, she has already started to make notes.
4. Has Nari been to the library?
Yes, she has just been there.
5. Has she seen her exam timetable?
No, she still hasn't seen her exam timetable.